to go riding? Look at that.
Wow.
Look at Sammy. Sammy's on the horsey. Yay!
Boy.
Yay!
Boy. Good boy, Jack.
Is he furry? Doesn't know what to think. Yeah. Look, Sammy on the horsey. Yay! Good boy. There you go. You having fun? Is that fun, Sammy?
Whoa, riding on the horsey.
You're way up in the air now. Look how tall you are.
Wait till Becca and Justin see that.
That his brother.
Yeah.
Yep.
He's gonna get jealous.
Yeah.
Yay! Good boy, Sammy. Where are you going?
Off into the wild blue yonder. Does that video have voice too?
Yes.
Better shut my mouth.
What were you saying?
Yeah.
She was swearing. No.
Sammy! Hi! Where are you, Sammy? You're far away. Are you coming back?
There, lay down there.
There you
Lay
are.
down there. There, lay down. That wasn't comfortable.
Is that fun? Wow. Is that fun?
That's good.
Nice horsey food. Good
Wow,
horsey.
look at that.